Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new on my channel, if you're new here, if this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Olubukola. You're welcome here. I film about skincare, YouTube tips, and as well lifestyle vlog. And today, guys, I'm going to be doing a review. See you guys, it's been a while since I make a review video like this, like a major review video, and I'm so sorry for all of you that are coming to me for cream recommendation, especially cream, our home cream here. I'm sorry, because I always tell you guys that I don't do personal cream recommendation, or I'll just say that I go to the market and buy this. I have a lot of reasons for not doing this, and it's not because I don't want to tell you, or because I know it and I don't want to tell you. See, the honest truth is I'm even scared of getting your skin damaged. Do you understand? So for those people who have been coming to me asking me, please, can you recommend something? I want to be fair, I want to be white, and so blah blah blah. It's not as if I know one and I don't want to tell you guys. I am just scared of whatever thing it is that is in the market. So if you have been following me for a while, you guys know I love NIVEA so much. I love NIVEA Dove. These are products that I love so much. So NIVEA, if you are watching this video, I think we can run one or two things together. I love NIVEA so much, and NIVEA is that go-to when I want a moisturizer for my skin, or when I want anything that has to do with cream on my skin. NIVEA is my go-to. It doesn't give me any effect. In fact, if you are able to get the original NIVEA, there's a probability of you liking your skin. And one thing again why I love NIVEA is that it is available in almost all countries. If you notice, NIVEA is always available. It's not something that you'll be looking for, or it's not something that will make you want to change your skincare product anytime fast. Because if you go here, you go to the market, you see NIVEA, go to their store, you see any country, just go to their store, you're definitely going to be seeing NIVEA. So the product I'll be reviewing today is the NIVEA Q10. How am I saying Q10? The product I'll be reviewing today is the NIVEA Q10 plus vitamin C cream. I'm going to be talking more on how it works and how you can mix it, just in case you want to mix it. Because one of the questions that I've gotten the most about NIVEA is, please, what can I mix with my NIVEA to give me the best results, or whatever thing like that. I'm just going to be bringing in my own review about it. Don't forget that skincare is not all size fits all. So because it works for Mr. A does not mean it's going to work for Mr. B, but it is very, very safe. So let's now say you're in that position where you're about to try out the NIVEA, then this video is for you. So if you're using the NIVEA Q10, NIVEA products are not always expensive. At least the highest you can see is 3K35. They are not always expensive. So, but this particular one, they have the one for dry skin that you can use if you know you have dry skin. They have the one for normal skin. Vitamin C is an all-rounder. Vitamin C for hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and all of that. And these two products contains vitamin C. There is no difference in the two. It's just that one is meant for people who have dry skin to help keep their skin way more moisturized, and the other one is for people who have normal skin. So it's not as if maybe the ingredient is that different. So it's just for your skin type and to give you the best results that you want. Yes, this particular cream can be used alone, but you can still use it and notice some reaction on your skin. If you're somebody who reacts to anything, or whenever you change cream, you react to stuff, you might notice some reaction on your skin. I have somebody that when they first start using vitamin C serum on their face, they have rashes. There are people like that when they start, or when they just introduce their skin to vitamin C, they might have rashes. But that does not mean vitamin C is not good for your skin. It's just that your skin is trying to adjust to the new thing that you're adding to it. So this too contains vitamin C, and it is very, very good. On its own, it is a very perfect moisturizer, and one of the cheapest moisturizer that I know that work very well, especially for the type of weather that we have here in Nigeria, where everywhere is very, very hot. I used to say, if you're using a NIVEA product, you are going to get the best results of NIVEA products if you don't expose yourself to sun. If you're opportune to work in a place where there is AC and you hardly expose yourself to sun and you use NIVEA products, you are going to be getting the best result of it. Or if you are in a country where it's so cold and there's really no heat on your skin, you are going to enjoy NIVEA products. So NIVEA Q10 is one of the cheapest moisturizer and a very safe cream, and the availability is high as well. Like, you can basically see it everywhere. So let's now say you want to use this NIVEA product. Am I advising you to mix it? I particularly, if you want to use it and you want to mix it, do not pour everything anything you want to mix into NIVEA, do not pour everything together and mix all at once. That's number one. Don't pour everything together and mix everything at once and then start using it. You can just make sure you divide it. And I always tell people, if you know this is what you are using and you want to like mix it, don't mix everything at once, because you don't even know if what you are mixing with it is going to align with your skin. So that's it. So what are the serums that can go well or that you can mix with this vitamin C Q10 to give you the best results that you want? Glutathione serum can work with it, and this is the glutathione serum that I am talking about, but because this is the one that I have a review on about this particular product. I don't know if you guys understand me. I'm not saying others cannot work with them, but I don't know how it works. But this particular one works well with this vitamin B cream and as well the Moroccan argan oil. This cream is not going to whiten your skin. It is not even going to lighten your skin. I can call it a brightening lotion because it does not give that yellow tone at all. It doesn't give yellow tone at all. But you will notice your skin being glowing and fresh. So if you know that you are interested in using the NIVEA Q10 for your skin, then you want to add something to it, you can go with glutathione serum. This particular one, I think it is 2K now, or 2K or 1.8, I'm not really sure. Then the Moroccan argan oil as well can work with it. You can go with it. And if you know that you want to put an anti-reaction, you can put an anti-reaction tube in it, and you can work with Miracle Depth. See, if you are working with a tube in your lotion, let's say you are just starting out and you want to mix a tube with your lotion, maybe you mix one tube with that lotion when you first try it out. One, because you know majority of these tube contain steroids, and they will tell you that it's not something that is meant to be using for long. This is how you detach your skin from whatever anti-reaction you use. You know, sometimes when you're just trying out a particular cream, it's not a cream that gives reaction, but to be on a very safe end, you want to like protect your skin from having all this type of reaction. So let's say you want to work with a tube in your cream, you want to mix your tube into your cream or your anti-reaction. I'm not talking about whitening tubes, I'm talking about anti-reactions, please. So if you want to mix your anti-reaction with your tube, with your cream, then this is how you mix it. Just maybe you use one tube of it in your cream this time. By the time you are mixing your next cream, reduce what you are adding. Reduce the anti-reaction in that cream. Then you start reducing the anti-reaction you add to it. By that time, your skin is already used to this particular cream, so you detach. That's how you detach from tube. It's not as if you just mix tube with this one, or you mix an anti-reaction with this one, and then the next one you're not mixing an anti-reaction. That's not how to detach from anti-reaction. So if you mix an anti-reaction tube with your cream, you start reducing the quantity you are adding to a point where you detach. That's why you see people that whenever they go somewhere, they tell you, my body reacts to this water. Okay, I used it because I'm on that table. My body reacts to this particular water, so I have to use Dettol in my water. So if I use maybe a full cup of Dettol today, tomorrow I start reducing it, like detach myself, because I don't want to get used to that nonsense. It's not as if you have to constantly mix an anti-reaction with it for life, because these things contain steroids, and they are like something that are meant to be used for a particular period of time and not for long usage. So that is all I want to say about this Q10. Glutathione serum can work with it. Your Moroccan argan oil can work with it. There are some safe serum that I reviewed about I think it was last year September. If you have not watched that video, go and watch it. These are safe serum that can work with your cream, so you can always use them like that. And don't mix the full one. Don't mix the full cream with your whatever serum you want to mix with it. Do not mix it. NIVEA is not a very thick cream, so you are not expecting a thick consistency. It is not a very thick cream. You can use it alone as well, but for those who want to mix it, this is how you can do it and get the best result out of it. It is not a whitening cream. It does not give yellow tone, but it glows your skin and make your skin look very healthy. There's vitamin C in this thing, so what are we talking about? So you expect the best from it. And work with a very good sugar scrub as well. Make sure you scrub your skin while using this lotion, and make sure that you as well use anything that contains glycolic acid in your scrub as well. It helps. See, combination of stuff is what helps. So know how to combine your stuff. So Q10, in my own opinion, is a pass for me because it is a very good lotion, and I think, yeah, it is worth the try. So if you know you are interested in getting a very natural product, or all in the name of I want to go and buy an organic cream, I don't want to damage your skin, they are giving you something that is not good, just go into the market or go to any supermarket and get the NIVEA Q10. So don't buy a fake organic cream and damage your skin. If you are always scared, go for NIVEA Q10. If you don't have the intention to bleach your skin or whiten up your skin or yellow tone or whatever thing that is being called, go for Q10. Q10. And this is all I have to say about this particular product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have ever tried this product as well, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know how it works for you. It has been in the market for a while, I know, but just because I don't have a review about it yet, and I want my review to be about 2 months before I talk about it, because there are some creams that they stop working on the way and just, you understand what I mean. But to me, NIVEA has always been my best moisturizer because it is cheap, available, and what again? Yeah. So if you watch this video to this point, make sure you click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that YouTube is going to be doing the job that I told them to always do on my channel, which is by notifying you anytime I drop new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.